Nine 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 6 7 9 9 9 6 7 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 6 7. Come on, let's go. Let's go! 1 million views. Yeah, let's go. We did it. We did it, Joe. We did it. All right. What's up, YouTube? Once again, this is Wes Fisher. Thank you so much for helping my video go viral, get like 1 million views in like a month. I really appreciate it, guys. This video was just basically just absolutely just a thank you video. Thank you again. Also, if you're interested in some more content, TikTok related, house related, whatever you want, please leave a comment below of some information that you're interested in. As you know, my channel started as a fitness, as a travel, and as a computer game tech channel. So it's got a little bit of everything. That's who Wes Fisher is. I'm not changing for no one, but I have some things down the pipeline when it comes to some automatic blinds, when it comes to some different lighting for the bedroom, different lighting for the kitchen. So I'm going to be posting those videos, and I'm going to be editing them and get them posted here very soon. But please leave a comment below. Let me know what you're interested in, and I'll make some content for that. And I also wanted to say this. We are in the official Wes Fisher studio, whatever you want to call it, whatever. It's the game room. But I do have another channel. It is my finance channel. If you are interested in just learning in finances, learning how to increase your finances, how to have a better year in 2021 than you had in 2020, then link below is my finance channel. I'm going to dive deeper into the business of YouTube, the business of making money online, things of that nature. Specifically when it comes to DIY cloud light, that video, I'll be honest with you guys because I'm full transparent. That video has made me $4,714 in 1 month. Now, obviously, it went viral. You guys helped me out with that. I appreciate the support. It's not about the money. It's about the love. I've been posting on YouTube for probably the past 6 or even 7 years. Haven't made a dime, but I'm starting to figure it out now. I'm starting to work with it and show people how they can do the same. So if you're interested in how to, start your own YouTube channel, make some money on YouTube, and change your financial life when it comes to your finances, check out my finance channel below. If not, just stay right here. We got some cool videos coming up next, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace, and go Browns. Let's go. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Thank you for 1 million views. Let's go. Hey, my clouds are still holding up great. Everything's looking good. I did want to show you guys the apps I'm using, just in case I didn't make it very clear in my last video. I'm using the Hue lighting app, and what this app does, I can switch the colors. It's kind of hard to see on the phone, but if I press, like, let's say game room, my bulbs in the middle turn blue. If I change it to like my test color, the one I like to use the most often, which has got a blue and a purple, that stays there. And then my light strip, a lot of you guys have used it, which is awesome. The Govee, I could switch to the orange. I could switch to the red. There you go. It switches just like that. I can switch to the green. There you go. And again, the music option is optional. So I can click here, and there you go. So now whenever I talk, we can kind of get that lightning storm happening here. It looks real good. So those are the 2 apps I'm using. I have not figured out how to use the smart home Google Siri thing yet. I know you can program to the way that you don't have to go through the 2 apps. I have not figured that out yet. So I wanted to create a quick video and thank you guys for the 1 million views and kind of go over some things. So thank you.